Hello everybody, in this episode I'm taking something that I designed in OnShape to hopefully print on our new Bambu 3D printers. So I've done a quick key fob and then I exported it as an STL. And you can do that by right clicking down here, clicking export, naming it, make sure it's STL, so on and so forth. Then, when you get into your Bambu Studio, you click on Add, and then you find it in your Downloads folder, and it's right there, and it came in. Next thing I had to do was make sure that this is set to my Bambu A1 Mini. I want to make sure that I've got my gray plastic. Next, I'm going to come over here and press slice. It tells me that it's sliced all right. All right, now I have my SD card in my reader right there. So I am going to drop this down to export all slice files. I'm going to click export, and I want to make sure that it's on that. It's under model, and I'm just going to call this key fob, and then I'm going to hit save. All right, and that should do it. Let's pop out the SD card, bring it over here. This is a new printer. Oops, make sure it's the right way. Give it a second, press that. Happens to be the second one. You can see we've got key fob G code. Press that, press print, and looks like it's gonna work. There we go, that's a good sign. So it's gonna print in gray. We are now printing something with two colors over here. So, if you have any questions, please let me know.